channel. If you're new here, welcome. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can achieve this Jack Frost gender bent inspired makeup look. I'm even going to be showing you how you can DIY your own Jack Frost sweater and staff as well. This is part of my 12 days of SFX-mas, and if you're new and you don't know what that is, for 12 days in the month of December, I'm uploading a new Christmas inspired makeup tutorial to celebrate the holidays. So anyways, with that being said, if you guys are interested in seeing how you can achieve this Jack Frost inspired makeup look, then just keep watching. Hey Spoops, so to start off I'm going to be showing you how you can DIY Jack Frost's hoodie and his staff. So to start off we're going to be focusing on his hoodie. I got this navy blue hoodie off of Amazon, which I will have linked down below. I'm going to be taking this amazing snow spray paint and I'm just going to be scattering this all over the hoodie before highlighting the neck area with some white paint. As for the staff, I got this staff off of Amazon as well. I'm going to be starting off by applying some of that Snow Flurry spray paint over the staff, letting it dry before coming back and taking some of this light blue spray paint and spraying this over top. And we even want to start to bring this up to the arch of his staff as well. And I'm even going to be adding a little bit more snow up there too to help give it a nice gradient and windblown effect. And that is an easy way to help DIY your very own Jack Frost costume. Moving on to makeup, I'm going to be starting off by popping in my blue contact lenses before taking my Fenty Skin sunscreen and applying this all over my face to help moisturize it. And then I'm going to be taking my Buckle Bunny Beauty Sheer Perfection Primer and applying that over my face as well. I'm then going to be taking my Becca Cosmetics Under Eye Highlight, and I'm going to be applying this under my eyes to help brighten my face before taking my Ben Nye White Foundation, and I'm going to be applying this all over my face using a white sponge because we definitely want to give that ghostly pale effect that Jack Frost has. I'm then going to be taking my ColourPop Concealer in white and applying this to the areas that need a little bit more coverage or that need to be brightened, so then I'm going to be going ahead and blending this out once again with my damp sponge. I'm then going to be setting my face with my Airspun Translucent Powder before moving on to contour, where I'm going to be taking my KVD Beauty Shade and Light Contour Palette, taking this contour color and applying this to my cheekbones and also bringing this down to my jawline as well. We then want to go ahead and create a little bit of a wind-blown flush, so I'm going to be taking my ColourPop Disney Designer Court of Miracles blush and applying this to the apples of my cheeks and softly blending it up my cheekbones. Next, for my highlighter, I'm going to be taking my ColourPop Disney Designer Big Tough Girl highlighter and applying this to my cheekbones and bringing this down the bridge of my nose as well, before we move on to eyebrows, where I'm going to be starting off by taking my NYX Micro Brow Pencil in black and just softly filling in my eyebrows, before taking my Buckle Bunny Beauty Brow Wow in Loretta and filling in the arch of my eyebrows, and then finally setting my brow hairs with my Benefit Cosmetics Brow Setter. Moving on to eyeshadow, I'm going to be starting off by priming my eyelids with my Smashbox 24-Hour Photo Finish Primer before going into my ColourPop Baroque palette, taking Bougie and applying this to the outer corner of my eyelid and softly blending that inwards, before also making sure to apply this to my lower lash line as well, as this is going to serve as the transition shade for the rest of the eyeshadow. I'm then going to be going into my ColourPop Frozen 2 Elsa palette, taking Fire, and I'm going to be applying this to the outer corner of my eye and softly blending this inwards, before also applying this to my lower lash line as well. I'm then going to be taking Cuddle Close, and using this color, I'm going to be going ahead and applying this to the inner corner of my eye and softly blending this to the center of my eyelid before making this color pop even more with Flurry, which is a beautiful pressed glitter, and then once again going into Cuddle Close and using this to highlight the inner corner of my eye and also my brow bone. We're then going to be taking Awakened, and we're going to be using this to lightly add a pop of some pink. We're going to be applying this to the outer corner of the eye and bring this down to the lower lash line before we move on to our ColourPop Liquid Liner in Navy, and we're just going to be creating a nice winged liner, and this is going to help incorporate some more blue into the eyeshadow look. I'm then going to be taking that and applying that to my lower lash line as well in a nice thin line before we move on to lips. I'm going to be starting off by taking my ColourPop Lippy Pencil in Curve 2 and going ahead and lightly outlining my lips before going into my ColourPop Disney Villains Sad But True Lip Gloss and applying this all over my lips. Next, I'm going to be taking my Tula Signature Glow Brightening Mist, and I'm going to be applying this all over my face to help give it a little bit more of an iridescent sheen before prepping my eyelashes by curling them and going into my Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara and sweeping this through my upper and my lower eyelashes. My false eyelashes of choice are my Tarte Tardiest Wifey eyelashes, so I'm going to be applying that to my upper lash line before setting my face with my One Size Beauty On Till Dawn Setting Mist. And that is my completed gender bent Jack Frost makeup tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. Leave a comment down below if you'd like to see next. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of my videos. Also, if you haven't already, please consider supporting me on Patreon. You can support me for as little as $1 a month and receive all exclusive behind the scenes sneak peeks of upcoming makeup tutorials before anybody else, and it really does help support me and my channel. So once again, thank you guys for all of your support, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!